Cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an F150 with the Triton V8. This is going to be a treat. She ain't half bad, ladies and gentlemen. She ain't half bad.
4x4.
Yeah.
Corrosion on the back. Look at this back door. You know how that happens? Let me show you how that happens. When you park your truck at the job site, nobody likes you, and all your co-workers piss on it for the last 7 or 8 years.
Yeah, that's probably,
why that happens.
I say that's definitely what happened.
Okay?
Oh, don't you hate this, ladies? Put some light on that. Don't you hate, you always want to do that, right? Don't you hate that?
Well, listen, get in the truck. You almost took my eye out. You know, follow me over here.
I'm following you. He's got a spotlight on him. See what happens when you get famous?
Yeah, let me tell you something.
You're going to put the window down?
No, I will put it down. This truck,
What's the clock?
with only 140 on it. Show that off.
Can you see it?
Of course I can see it. Now, this motor, if it was a 5.4, I think the 5.4s are strong. Get over here.
It's got a $140, ladies and gentlemen.
This has got, show this off too. 4.6 motor.
You're not going to be able to read that, trust me.
You're not going to be able to read it, but doesn't
You got to take our word for it.
Shut up!
Wow.
Now listen, I got to go away for the weekend. My daughter's going into a some sort of competition, whatever the hell it is.
Bodybuilding.
I'm going to be in Providence, Rhode Island. So if there's any neutral droppers in Providence, Rhode Island, let's hang out and I'll let you buy me a beer.
Wow, you're unbelievable.
Oh,
guys, if
before we get to shut up.
Pretend you're going to buy him a beer and then just run out and make him pay the tab.
Okay, now
drink
look
a lot.
under there. I got to show the proof because this motor's going to blow. There is nothing under that motor. That is a clean street right there. There's no parts, nooks, crannies, or nothing. Now we're going to do, oh, by the way, CJ, we're going to do a motor blow because he wants to play-by-play.
All right, CJ, motor blow it is.
You guys ready?
Hold on, let me get, should I cover the jugular on this?
I would stay back.
Let me go on the sidewalk side. So get myself killed over here. It's whizzing by on me. They don't care. What do they care? Oh! What do we have here? Get some fuel to that fuel pump. Crank that thing a couple of times. Get a little fuel to the fuel pump.
Now I'm embarrassed.
Wait a minute. Is that having an alarm? No. Oh, wait, it does. Look in the middle there. It's got an alarm pad. Up. Floor it. You see? Oh. Do I have to use some spray start? Do I have to waste spray start on this? Hold on. We'll be right back, folks. We're back, folks.
I had to add extra power.
That fuel pump may need a whack. Fuel pump needs a whack. Don't kill it. Hold on. All right, folks. I'm going to give this fuel pump I'm going to give this gas tank a whack or two. Hold on. Go ahead. What the fucking fuck? There we go, folks. I opened up the cap. You know I opened up the cap. What was that?
I don't know. Holy shit.
What is it?
Successful motor blow.
Are you serious?
Successful motor blow,
Any
everybody.
flamage?
Hopefully not a successful fire. We want an unsuccessful fire.
There's a lot of smoke going on. You think I'd get the fire extinguisher ready first? Why would I do that? That would be the smart thing to do. That was fast too. That's what she said. Look at he puts his legs out there to get them run over by cars. So what do we got going on under there?
Well, get your camera under there. CJ, nooks and crannies and shit blew out of the bottom of the motor. I'm gonna start it back up.
Well, let me get out of here first. What are we seeing here? Hold on.
Show the ground.
Well, of course.
So something.
Ooh, something occurred. Something definitely occurred, folks. All right, he's gonna give it another whirl. Why wouldn't he?
Hold on.
I gotta get a wide angle on this. Hold on.
Let me see if I get it started again.
That's what she said. A lot of smokage, I tell you.
That motor's locked up.
The motor's locked up. Thank God we're not, right? Right? I got a little light. Look, I got the light on. This is so professional. We're such professionals here. Now we're gonna put our stuff away. We got the. What'd you pay for them cables? Were those the ones that we bought for?
These cables were like
Let me see.
$230 or something. These are very heavy gauge and thick cables. Like
That's what she said.
let me tell you, that is what she said.
Folks, we got another one coming. We were gonna beat the daylights out of this along with another F150, but what happened was this thing the motor was so
this
noisy.
thing sucked. I'll say it.
No, it
You're
didn't suck.
stuttering over your words.
It didn't suck.
This thing sucked, and hopefully the other one doesn't suck.
Well, I guess if anyone could explain sucking better than Stuntman,
I'm gonna say it again.
Give it a stab.
This one sucked, and hopefully the other one doesn't suck.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Watch your back. You're going to get yourself killed. You're out here in Mexico. This thing stinks, man.
And you want to know something? This is going to be a much more honest channel than before. We're actually not in Mexico. You're a liar.
Wow. Folks, he's going to roll this up. These expensive... You got robbed, by the way. It did start the truck.
It started the truck, you idiot.
Folks, don't forget, go to Used Car Wealth. It's ready to go right now. We're all gonna make money. You go over there, you check it out, you join. It's cheap as hell. You'll make your money back 10 times over on the first deal. The first deal. Get out there, join. Let's get busy. How many pieces we get this week, Stuntman?
So far this week, today is Thursday, probably 30 something. It's slow right now. Normally we're 50 cars plus, 55, 60 cars a week. Used Car Wealth, we're going to show you exactly how we run our business from A to Z. We leave nothing out. We explain exactly what we do. Because there are ways to make money in the car business. You don't have to leave your bedroom. You can sit in your bedroom on the phone making deals happen. Because we have a national car buying network. Okay, there's an 800 number. It's directly connected to us. Okay, you live anywhere, any corner of the country, you will call that number. There will be a buyer linked to us right in your town. I don't give a shit what kind of shit kicking town it is. You'll find the buyer for your car. Now, I don't know why I get angry all the time.
Watch yourself.
For no good reason.
You're gonna get yourself run over.
I just get angry all the time for no good reason.
For no reason at all. All right, folks, check it out. Like, comment, subscribe, and we are we're going off to film the next F-150. We got 3 of them.